Okay, we're here today in Allen, and our customer in a 2019 Toyota Camry experienced some car trouble last night. We had to go get the keys from the owner in Prosper, and just met the driver here with the keys, so he's getting ready to load it.